Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,000, Charlotte, North Carolina. This 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead delivers the unmistakable style and sound that made Harley's big twin motorcycles legendary throughout the custom scene of the late 1970s. Powered by an 80 cubic inch V-twin engine, this example features fresh engine work along with custom pearl white paint that gives the bike a bold and eye-catching appearance. Shovelheads continue to hold strong appeal among vintage Harley enthusiasts because of their raw mechanical character and classic American road presence. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides great, making it more than just a cosmetic custom build. Its combination of fresh mechanical work and period-inspired styling creates a strong balance between usability and vintage personality. For buyers seeking an affordable classic Harley with timeless custom appeal, this Shovelhead stands out as a solid option.
Number 2. 1968 BSA Lightning, $3,500, Elizabethtown, Tennessee. The 1968 BSA Lightning remains one of the best-known British twin-cylinder motorcycles of its era, admired for its sporty performance and timeless styling. Finished in blue and accompanied by several extra parts, this example appears to be a largely complete vintage machine with strong restoration or rider potential. BSA's Lightning models became especially popular in the United States thanks to their combination of lightweight handling and strong parallel twin power. Although the bike has not been started in approximately 5 years, the seller notes that it comes with a clear title and presents as a clean example overall. For enthusiasts interested in reviving a classic British motorcycle, this Lightning offers an appealing starting point with originality and collectible appeal. As vintage BSAs continue to gain attention among collectors, projects like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find at approachable prices.
Number 3. 1989 Honda GB500 Tourist Trophy, $6,750, Baltimore, Maryland. The 1989 Honda GB500 Tourist Trophy is one of the most respected modern classic motorcycles ever produced by Honda, blending vintage cafe racer styling with Honda's renowned reliability. Inspired by classic British singles of the 1950s and 1960s, the GB500 features a lightweight chassis, sporty riding position, and elegant design details that have helped it become highly collectible in recent years. This black example shows just over 21,000 miles and remains a rare sight on the American market. According to the seller, the bike starts every time and delivers an enjoyable riding experience, especially on winding back roads. The GB500's growing collector status and limited US availability continue to drive strong enthusiast interest, both domestically and internationally. For riders seeking a stylish, vintage-inspired motorcycle with dependable performance and timeless character, this Honda represents a very desirable find.
Number 4. 1977 Moto Guzzi Convert Police Model, $1,600, Portland, Tennessee. This 1977 Moto Guzzi Convert California Police model is an unusual and highly distinctive Italian touring motorcycle powered by Moto Guzzi's transverse V-twin engine. One of the most interesting features of the Convert is its 2-speed semi-automatic transmission system, which provides a uniquely smooth and relaxed riding experience, unlike most motorcycles of its era. Originally developed with police and touring applications in mind, these machines earned a reputation for durability and comfortable long-distance capability. The seller states that the bike runs and drives well, while also benefiting from a new battery. Its striking red finish and uncommon drivetrain setup make it an attention-grabbing machine both on the road and at local motorcycle events. For collectors or riders searching for something truly different in the vintage motorcycle world, this Moto Guzzi Convert offers character, rarity, and affordability in one package. Number 5. 1988 Harley-Davidson FLT Classic, $3,500, Andalusia, Alabama.
The 1988 Harley-Davidson FLT Classic represents Harley's long-distance touring heritage with classic American V-twin style and highway-focused comfort. Finished in black and showing over 86,000 miles, this motorcycle demonstrates the durability that helped Evolution-era Harleys become popular among riders who enjoyed extended road trips and everyday cruising alike. Touring features, combined with the unmistakable Harley-Davidson sound, continue to make FLT models appealing to vintage touring enthusiasts. This example has received several recent upgrades, including new tires, a new windscreen, an S&S carburetor, and updated shifter linkage components. Additional conveniences such as an aftermarket radio and cell phone holder add practical usability for modern riding. According to the seller, the bike is loud, proud, and ready for its next adventure, making it a solid option for riders wanting an affordable classic Harley touring machine with proven road-going capability. Number 6. 1973 Yamaha XS 650, $2,000, Lawrenceburg, Kentucky. The 1973 Yamaha XS 650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twin-cylinder motorcycles ever built, admired for its durability, smooth power delivery, and strong custom building potential. Finished in black and showing just over 20,000 miles, this example represents an increasingly collectible vintage Yamaha classic that still carries its classic 1970s character. The XS 650 became especially popular because of its reliable parallel twin engine and timeless styling that continues to appeal to both riders and restorers today. According to the seller, the motorcycle was running well before being parked in a garage for several years. It will need a battery, front brake repairs, and attention to the left carburetor before returning to regular road use. With a clean title and largely complete condition, this XS 650 offers a strong foundation for anyone looking to revive a desirable Japanese classic at an affordable entry price. Number 7. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $11,000, Fort Wayne, Indiana. This freshly built 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead combines classic Harley style with extensive custom performance upgrades and craftsmanship throughout. Built around an original 1976 Harley FX frame with matching title, the motorcycle features a rebuilt 74 cubic inch Shovelhead engine completed by Ed Cycles, along with polished Harley-Davidson cases, an S&S Super E carburetor, and custom stainless steel exhaust pipes. Vintage Shovelheads continue to hold strong appeal because of their unmistakable sound, mechanical personality, and deep roots in American custom motorcycle culture. The bike also features a custom electric start setup, open belt drive, kickstart transmission, upgraded ignition, and a narrow Springer front end paired with vintage-style tires. Fresh powder coating on the frame and swing arm further adds to the bike's clean presentation. For enthusiasts seeking a professionally assembled custom Harley with show-quality details and strong street presence, this Shovelhead stands out as a serious vintage custom build. Number 8. 1979 Suzuki GS850G, $1,700, Medina, Ohio. The 1979 Suzuki GS850G is a well-regarded vintage sport touring motorcycle known for its reliability, comfortable riding position, and durable shaft drive system. Finished in green and showing approximately 21,000 miles, this GS850G represents one of Suzuki's most dependable touring platforms from the late 1970s. The GS series became especially respected for combining smooth inline-4 performance with practical long-distance usability. According to the seller, the motorcycle needs nothing mechanically and runs very well. Features such as the Delkovic header exhaust, LED lighting, adjustable suspension, self-canceling turn signals, and gear indicator add both convenience and personality to the riding experience. With its large 6-gallon fuel tank and reputation for bulletproof reliability, this GS850G offers excellent value for riders wanting a comfortable and collectible vintage Japanese touring motorcycle.
Number 9.
1971 BSA A70L Lightning, $8,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. This 1971 BSA A70L Lightning is one of the rarest production motorcycles ever offered by BSA, with only 202 units reportedly built for AMA racing homologation purposes. Powered by a 751cc parallel twin engine, the A70L represented BSA's effort to compete in the growing American 750cc racing scene during the early 1970s. Because of its extremely limited production numbers, the model remains highly desirable among serious British motorcycle collectors today. The seller states that the bike runs well, everything functions properly, and the motorcycle retains matching numbers along with a clear title. Its historical importance and rarity make it much more than simply another vintage British twin. For collectors searching for an investment-grade motorcycle with true motorsports heritage, this A70L Lightning stands out as an exceptionally uncommon opportunity. Number 10. 1976 Kawasaki KZ400, $1,300, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ400 is a lightweight twin-cylinder Japanese classic that became popular for its approachable size, dependable performance, and easy everyday usability. Finished in blue with matching VIN numbers and a clean title, this example presents as a largely complete vintage project motorcycle. The KZ400 models earned a reputation as practical and enjoyable bikes that remain accessible to new vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. According to the seller, the motorcycle was running only a few months ago, but currently needs carburetor linkage sorting after recent maintenance work. The engine still turns over freely with strong compression, suggesting solid mechanical potential beneath the current starting issue. Minor cosmetic imperfections such as a shallow tank dent and normal vintage wear remain consistent with an honest survivor. For buyers interested in a straightforward restoration or rider project, this Kawasaki offers an affordable entry into classic Japanese motorcycles. Number 11. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Police Special, $6,000, Laurel, Indiana. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Police Special is a classic American touring machine powered by Harley's legendary big twin engine platform. Police-spec Harley-Davidsons from this era are especially appreciated for their rugged construction, commanding road presence, and historical connection to law enforcement service motorcycles across the United States. Finished as a solid rider, this example captures the unmistakable style and sound that continue to make Shovelheads highly desirable among vintage Harley enthusiasts. According to the seller, the motorcycle starts, runs, and stops properly, while also benefiting from numerous new parts already installed. Its straightforward presentation and functional condition make it appealing for someone who wants a usable vintage Harley rather than a long-term project. For riders seeking an affordable classic shovelhead with authentic old-school character, this police special offers strong value and timeless American V-twin appeal. Number 12. 1982 Honda CB900F, $3,200, Daytona Beach, Florida. The 1982 Honda CB900F remains one of the most respected Japanese performance motorcycles of the early 1980s, combining strong inline-4 power with sporty handling and aggressive styling. This silver example has already received a variety of thoughtful upgrades, including Honda Hornet wheels and forks, a Kawasaki Zephyr swing arm, modern suspension components, and a 4-in-1 exhaust system. The CB900F became famous for its balance of speed, reliability, and everyday rideability, making it a favorite among both sport riders and collectors. According to the seller, the bike runs and rides well, with recently cleaned carburetors and a brand new battery already installed. While it does show some cosmetic aging consistent with its age, the motorcycle appears to be a solid and well-maintained rider overall. For enthusiasts wanting a classic Honda with upgraded performance and vintage superbike personality, this CB900F offers a very appealing package. Number 13. 1964 Norton Atlas, $5,300, Telford, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Norton Atlas is a beautifully sorted British twin-cylinder classic featuring extensive mechanical restoration work throughout. Powered by a 750cc parallel twin engine, the Atlas helped establish Norton's reputation for performance before the later Commando models arrived. Finished in red and carrying a clean title, this example benefits from rebuilt engine internals, refreshed transmission components, upgraded ignition, rebuilt front forks, and numerous additional improvements. The motorcycle reportedly starts on the first kick and runs exceptionally well, reflecting the significant mechanical attention it has received. Features such as the belt drive primary, twin leading shoe front brake, and optional tachometer add both functionality and vintage charm. With additional header pipes included in the sale, this Norton presents itself as a well-prepared classic ready for continued riding enjoyment. For buyers seeking a strong-running British icon with major restoration work already completed, this Atlas stands out as an excellent opportunity. Number 14. 1976 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $7,000. Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. The 1976 Harley-Davidson FLH Electra Glide represents classic American touring heritage with its large frame design, comfortable highway capability, and unmistakable Harley-Davidson V-twin personality. Powered by a 1200cc engine and finished in red, this vintage touring motorcycle reflects the era when Electra Glides became symbols of long-distance American motorcycling. Models from this period continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate their classic styling and relaxed cruising experience. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and remains in good overall condition. Included original hard bags and extra seats further enhance its touring appeal and originality. The seller also notes that the bike deserves an owner who will ride it and appreciate its heritage, emphasizing the sentimental value often attached to these classic Harleys. For vintage touring enthusiasts, this Electra Glide offers timeless style and authentic road-going character. Number 15. 1966 Yamaha YL100, $1,000, Easley, South Carolina. This 1966 Yamaha YL100 is a lightweight vintage Japanese project motorcycle that reflects Yamaha's early expansion into the American motorcycle market during the 1960s. Finished in red and showing fewer than 6,000 miles, the bike appears largely complete, despite having sat unused for many years. Small displacement Yamaha models from this era are appreciated today for their simplicity, approachable restoration potential, and charming vintage styling. The seller originally purchased the motorcycle with restoration plans in mind, but has since moved on to other projects. While the bike has not run in years, it remains a potentially rewarding candidate for someone interested in bringing a classic two-stroke era Yamaha back to life. For collectors or hobbyists searching for an affordable vintage project with nostalgic appeal, this YL100 offers a solid starting point.